Don't you think your kids need structure?
Aren't you worried about them being socialized?
Aren't you lonely on the road? We get asked these questions all the time.
It's time to set the record straight.
Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bill.
And I'm Natasha.
And we are nursing our travel bug.
For the last 5 years, we have traveled this country in our RV with our 2 kids, Bella and Will, and our dog, Bernie.
And we're loving it.
I'm loving it. Our family and friends, heck, even strangers, sometimes question our nomadic lifestyle.
A lot of their concerns honestly revolve around the children. Do they have friends?
How do they meet other kids?
And the structure. You gotta have structure.
Ugh, we get that one a lot.
People have legit concerns about us adults as well. Isn't it lonely out there without your friends and your family?
How do you maintain community when your house moves all the time? While we do miss our friends and family back home, we certainly have ample opportunities to make friends on the road. In fact, social media has been a tremendous way to meet people between our YouTube, our Instagram, our Facebook, and heck, just going outside, meeting the neighbors, walking the dog. We adults have lots of opportunities to meet new people, build relationships, and in turn, build friendships.
These here are just a few of the examples that we've encountered recently that gave us an opportunity to meet with old friends and make some new ones. Check it out.
It's moving day.
Yes. Last night was our final night here staying with the Culture family on their property. We went out to dinner. We had a nice fire. The kids roasted marshmallows. It was a nice little send-off.
Yeah, and this morning we're actually heading to a little get-together. I think it was all brought up by EnjoyTheJourney.live. You may be familiar with them, YouTube fame. So we're going, there's a whole bunch of YouTube creators or RV content creators that are going to be there at a local winery.
That's what's nice about being so close to Orlando is so many people are also staying here. So it'll be fun to connect with some more of our friends and make some new ones as well. Off we go.
Time to go meet up with our good friends, Michael and Shelley. And Talon,
Yes,
our epic RV adventure.
and many more meetups to come. We have finally decided to christen our rear patio. The children are actually preparing dinner. So Bill and I are out here having a nice cocktail.
Overlooking our neighbor's RV. Sounds magical.
We're watching the sunset.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Actually having a great time. We're at an RV park. Our epic RV adventure is also here. We just met Idle Cruises.
Met a couple new folks,
more
Chad
friends.
and Kimberly.
We're enjoying it. We're forgetting the mess that's behind us in there. Still a little organization to do, but for now, we'll relax.
I am off work. Bill was the grill master. He's got some tasty biddles. And we're going to get together and have a little potluck with some of our friends here at the RV park. And we're going to meet some new ones.
Here we go.
even got to head to Homosassa Springs State Park with our friends. We're on the hunt for manatees. And we found some.
Got invited to spend the evening with Lawrence and Natalie. You know them as Brazen Brits. We had a blast hanging out with them, enjoying a meal, singing some karaoke, playing some games. So as you can see, us adults really had some good quality hangout time with our friends. And these are friends that we have gotten to know through our YouTube channel and social media.
Which I guess really is just a tip for you. Social media has been a great way for us to meet folks. Whether it's your Instagram, we've had people recognize our Wi-Fi name in a park and look us up on Instagram saying that has to be an Instagram name because it was Nursing Our Travel Bug. Or joining Facebook groups. Sometimes people will shout out where they are, and it's a great way to meet people and make some new friends.
I know some of you are a little hesitant with the social media, or you're not a big fan of social media, and that's okay. There's still plenty of other ways to meet people. Honestly, if you just walk outside your door and strike up a conversation with your neighbor, that's a great way to build a friendship. Light up a campfire. Just be present, be available, and you will be surprised at how many people you strike up conversations with that turn into friends. Lifelong friends.
It can be hard for me to go out there and do that, but trust me, you extroverts, you know who you are. You'll take care of all that hard work. She has to push me out of my comfort zone all the time. So as we said before, most people, their main concern is with the kids. How do they get and stay connected with their friends? Do they have friends? Well, here is just an example of how they do just that. And yes, of course they have friends.
We left our friends back in Chiefland, Florida. And while it was sad to say goodbye, we were excited because we were headed to Reagan's Family Campground, home of the Fulltime Families annual family reunion.
If you're interested in learning more about Fulltime Families, check out fulltimefamilies.com. There is a link down in the description where you can actually get a discount on a membership. Or reach out to us and we can help you out with that.
So this was the second time we visited the Fulltime Families family reunion, and let me tell you, it gets bigger and bigger every year. This go around, they had over 85 families. That's over 200 kids.
Yikes! Yikes for me. Yay for the kids. They had a blast.
Picture time.
Picture time. You want to see what it looks like when 85 families, over 200 kids get together for a group photo? This will be organized chaos. Let's get them.
Our kids were outside all day. They'd get up, they'd eat breakfast, and like, can we go outside? This was out of the norm for our children. They had a blast. They met so many new kids. They had some friends they've met before. That's what's cool about the RV life. People go away and they come right back into your life as well.
Don't forget the Gaga Ball Pit. That is where all the kids hang out. So they get exercise, they learn to play on a team, and they just have fun. They're just kids.
So many chances to meet new people for the youngins and for us older folks as well. You have these small group campfires, small group potlucks.
And don't forget one of my favorites, Mom's and Dad's Night Out.
We're outside again today. It rained all day yesterday and the kids were stuck inside. Today's been overcast, but the weather hasn't been too bad. We are heading to the pavilion, which is still outdoors, for the kids' marketplace.
Basically, all the kids that want to, they get a table and they can sell their goods, whether they're making cookies or bracelets or painting somebody's nails or
selling
whatever
toys.
you can think of.
Yeah, the kids' marketplace is really cool because it helps kids be little entrepreneurs. And it really helps them to understand how the marketplace works. You know, you have to produce something that people want. You have to sell it at a fair price, and then you have to advertise that so that you can get people to buy your stuff. This is always one of the most fun events at the Fulltime Families Rally. And this year, Bella participated.
Believe it or not, wow.
So let's go see what she has produced and how it's going.
The last night of the rally, everyone celebrates with a big party, including a father-daughter dance, a mother-son dance, and a parents dance.
A lot of folks hung out after the main rally was over too.
That means I got another mom's night out, which was a lot of fun. We also had some RV friends from Florida drive over to come spend the weekend with us too.
Who we met while living this crazy full-time RV family life. Now, Will was super excited about the festivities going on after the main rally. They had a sports camp, which Will really enjoys sports. That is something he craves, is doing some organized sports, so this gave him that opportunity. Bella even got out there and ran around playing sports. Let me tell you, that's not normal for her. Overall, I think this whole rally was good for all of us. So those are just a few of the ways we keep our social meters full.
Now, it is true in the RV lifestyle, as far as friendships and socialization goes, it's either feast or famine.
Yeah, meaning that either there's so much social activity that it drains me, I'll just speak for myself, or you go a few weeks without seeing anybody you know at all. So, for me, personally speaking, those moments are nice as well because it lets you unwind and then you get some good quality family time.
Again, technology brings us together. So even though we have moved on, we're not at a campground with families, the kids can still stay connected. We have Kids Messenger. Bella's a little older, so she has a cell phone, so they can message their friends. They can text back and forth. They've even exchanged gamer tags and get online and play video games with their friends. And I think that they have more friends now than they did when we were in a sticks and bricks, and they're all over the country.
Yeah, we've all gained a lot more friends through this lifestyle. I joke all the time that my social bucket is overflowing. A lot of the time, Natasha loves it. She'll bathe in the social aspects of this lifestyle.
The point is, between all of the social media aspects, the RV clubs, and then just getting out and meeting people, we are not lonely travelers. Oh no. Not only do we have plenty of friends, in fact, I probably have more friends RVing than I did when I was stationary. But the kids also have friends and they get that socialization, and it's not just in your standard box of just your peer group. They learn to socialize with people across all ages, which is a skill that will benefit them further down the road.
We hope we've eased the concern of you worrywarts out there. We know you're just looking out for what's best for us and best for our family, but trust me, if you're worried about their socialization, their structure, you don't have to worry about that. Now you can all do us a favor. Help us.
Tell us how you stay social, whether you're stationary in a sticks and bricks or whether you're out there living the nomadic lifestyle. Let us know in those comments below, how do you fill your social bucket?
We appreciate you all watching so much. Do us another favor before you go. Click some buttons. Make sure you hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. Sometimes it's a big red button. Those are fun to push.
We're getting really close to a big milestone, so every new subscriber we appreciate. And of course, all of you loyal subscribers, we appreciate you so much. Mwah, mwah, mwah.
Well, I'm Bill.
And I'm Natasha.
We are nursing our travel bug.
Encouraging you to nurse what makes you happy. And that's people. I love my friends.
And that's a little alone time. Well, not alone. I'm with my PlayStation.
And me, what about me?
And her too.